When it comes to cookware that combines durability, convenience, and performance, this Farberware Cookstart DiamondMax Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet Set delivers on every front. Designed for the modern kitchen, this two-piece skillet set is a versatile addition for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Let's dive into a detailed review of these frying pans to see why they're a must-have for your culinary arsenal. Overview of the Farberware Cookstart DiamondMax Skillet Set. This set includes an 8.25-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, perfect for handling a variety of cooking tasks, from quick breakfast scrambles to hearty dinner preparations. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum, these skillets ensure even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. The standout feature is the DiamondMax Nonstick interior, which outperforms ceramic nonstick by 3 times, making food release and cleanup a breeze. Key features that set it apart. 1. Durable construction for longevity. The heavy-duty aluminum build of these frying pans provides excellent heat distribution and ensures the cookware withstands everyday use. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, the durability of these pans guarantees consistent results without warping or wear. 2. Superior DiamondMax Nonstick coating. The DiamondMax Nonstick surface is a game-changer. Unlike standard ceramic coatings, this non-stick interior offers a 3x better performance, ensuring effortless food release. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sliding off a perfectly cooked omelet, there's no sticking or tearing. Cleanup is just as easy. Simply wipe with a cloth or place it in the dishwasher. 3. Oven and dishwasher safe for maximum convenience. Modern kitchens demand versatility, and the Farberware Cookstart set doesn't disappoint. Both pans are oven safe up to 350 degrees Farberware, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven without transferring to another vessel. Additionally, these frying pans are dishwasher safe, ensuring a hassle-free cleanup even after elaborate meals. 4. Ergonomic handles for comfort and safety. The dual-riveted handles provide a comfortable grip, ensuring stability while handling hot pans. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or flipping fish, the design gives you confidence in every movement. Why the Farberware Cookstart Skillet Set stands out. Perfect for everyday use. From quick morning breakfasts to elaborate family dinners, this skillet set caters to all cooking needs. The 2 sizes make it versatile for both small and large meals. Healthier cooking made easy. Thanks to the non-stick coating, you can cook with less oil, or butter, promoting healthier meals without compromising flavor or texture. Stylish and practical design. The sleek silver finish complements any kitchen aesthetic, while the functional design ensures optimal performance. Who should buy the Farberware Cookstart Skillet Set? Home cooks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, these frying pans are user-friendly and highly effective for all skill levels. Busy families. The quick heating feature, easy cleanup, and dishwasher-safe convenience make this set perfect for families juggling multiple responsibilities. Health-conscious eaters. For those looking to reduce oil use, the superior non-stick coating enables healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. Comparing to other frying pans, the Farberware Cookstart Skillet Set holds its own against pricier competitors. The DiamondMax Nonstick coating, paired with its affordability and durability, makes it a standout option. While some ceramic nonstick pans may struggle with longevity, this set ensures extended performance without peeling or degradation. Pros and cons of the Farberware Cookstart Skillet Set. Pros: excellent nonstick performance, 3x better than standard ceramic coatings. Durable construction, heavy-duty aluminum ensures long-lasting performance. Convenient features, oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and ergonomic handles. Affordable, a premium skillet set at an accessible price point. Cons: oven temperature limit, safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which might not suit all recipes. Nonstick care, requires the use of non-metal utensils to preserve the coating. Final verdict. The Farberware Cookstart DiamondMax Nonstick Frying Pan/Skillet Set is a stellar choice for anyone seeking reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use cookware. With its superior nonstick performance, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this set delivers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these frying pans are bound to elevate your culinary creations. Don't miss out on the convenience and performance these frying pans offer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.